what if your AI could build apps, write reports, and collaborate with you in real time? Grok's new studio is here to revolutionize how you create, and it's free. Ready to dive in? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today, we're unpacking Grok Studio, the brand new canvas-like tool from Elon Musk's X AI that's shaking up the AI game. Launched on April 15, 2025, this feature lets you create documents, code apps, and even browser games, all while collaborating with Grok in real time. And the best part, it's available with both free and paid users on Grok.com. Let's explore why this is a must-try. Grok Studio is like having a digital workspace where you and Grok team up. Announced on X, it opens your content in a split-screen window next to Grok's responses, so you can edit and create side by side. Want to write a report? Generate Python, C++, or JavaScript code? Or maybe whip up a browser game? Grok Studio's got you covered. You can preview HTML snippets instantly and run code without leaving the platform. It's perfect for developers, writers, or anyone who wants to tinker with ideas in a seamless, interactive way. Here's where it gets next level. Grok Studio now integrates with Google Drive. You can attach documents, spreadsheets, or slides directly to a Grok prompt, and it'll work with them like a pro. Need to analyze data from a spreadsheet, edit a slide deck, or pull text from a doc? Grok handles it all, making it a powerhouse for productivity. This upgrade, dropped alongside Studio, makes Grok a serious contender for your go-to creative tool, whether you're a student, a coder, or an entrepreneur. Now, Grok Studio isn't the first canvas-like tool out there. OpenAI's Canvas for GPT and Anthropic's Artifacts for Claude paved the way, offering similar workspaces, but Grok stands out with its free access to all users, not just premium ones, and that slick Google Drive integration. It's not a total game changer compared to the others, but it's code execution, like running Python or JavaScript in the right window, and real-time collaboration make it super practical. Plus, it's backed by XAI's mission to push AI boundaries, so expect more updates soon. Grok Studio is all about making creation easier and more fun. Whether you're prototyping a game, drafting a report, or coding a project, it's like having an AI sidekick that keeps up with your ideas. The split-screen setup cuts down on juggling tabs, and Google Drive support means your files are always at your fingertips. With Grok's Video Vibe and real-time collaboration, it's a tool that feels personal and powerful. This is just the first version, so imagine what's coming next.